Hello, friends. Today I'm going on an underwater adventure to meet some amazing ocean animals. Let's go! Wow! Look at this dolphin! Dolphins are super smart and love to play. They talk to each other using whistles and clicks. Isn't that cool? This is a starfish. It's not really a fish. Starfish have 5 arms, and if they lose one, it can grow back. Amazing, right? Look at this octopus. It has 8 arms and can change colors to hide. Octopuses are super clever, like the geniuses of the sea. Here comes a shark. Sharks have sharp teeth, but don't worry. Many sharks are not dangerous. They help keep the ocean healthy. Wow! A sea turtle! They are gentle and can live for many, many years. Sea turtles love munching on seagrass and jellyfish. Look at the jellyfish! They're soft and see-through. Jellyfish don't swim much. They just float with the ocean waves. Some can even glow in the dark. Whoa! A whale! Whales are the biggest animals in the whole world. Did you know whales sing songs that travel far underwater? Here's a tiny seahorse. They look like little horses. And guess what? The daddies carry the babies in their pouch. Look at the crab. Crabs walk sideways with their claws. They like to hide under rocks and sand. Here's a squid. They have long arms and can squirt black ink to escape from danger. That's their superpower. Whoa, a moray eel. It hides in rocks and has long, sharp teeth. They can look scary, but they only bite if they feel bothered. Wow, a lionfish! It's beautiful with spiky fins, but those spines can sting. That's why other fish stay away from it. Yay! That was so much fun, friends! Today we met dolphins, turtles, whales, and so many more amazing ocean animals. Which one was your favorite? Tell me next time we meet. Bye-bye, friends!